Two systems are called equivalent systems if they have the same solution set. For example, suppose you have ugly looking system like this. The very first equation is x minus 2y plus 3z equals to 9. The second equation is negative x plus 3y equals to negative 4. And the third equation is 2x minus 5y plus 5z equals to 17. We want to convert this ugly looking equation into a nicer equation, which is written in row echelon form. To do that, we can follow these operations. The very first operation, interchange two equations. The second operation, multiply one equation by a non-zero constant. And the third is adding a multiple of an equation to another equation. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add 1 to 2. So I'm taking equation 1 and add it to equation 2. X minus x becomes 0. Negative 2y plus 3y is y, and 3z stays here. 9 minus 4 is 5. We copy down the last equation as well. What's the next step? Now I'm going to multiply the first equation by negative 2 and add it to the third equation. So multiply the first equation by negative 2. Why is that? Because my third equation has leading term 2x. So if they are opposite of each other, you can cancel them out. Multiplying the first equation by negative 2 gives you negative 2x plus 4y minus 6z equals to negative 18. Adding that to the third equation gives you, these two become 0. 4y minus 5 by negative y, negative 6z plus 5z is negative z equals to negative 18 plus 17 becomes negative 1. So now created this new system, which is equivalent to the original system. Now I'm going to add equation 2 to equation 3. Take a look at these two. They have opposite terms. So adding 2 and 3 together, y and negative y disappear. 3z minus z becomes 2z, 5 minus 1 becomes 4. So we converted this ugly looking system into simpler system as x minus 2y plus 3z equals to 9, y plus 3z equals to 5, and 2z equals to 4, which is much more easier to solve. From the last equation, z becomes 2. If I substitute that in the second equation, y plus 6 is 5, or y becomes negative 1. If I substitute both of these in the first equation, I get x plus 2 plus 6 equals to 9, or x becomes 1. So we just solved this system of equations by using the operations and convert them into row echelon form with leading term 1, and we solve the system 1, negative 1, and 2. You can also use technology to see the behavior of these three planes and actually see the intersection between them. So that's why the system is consistent, because it has a solution.